Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Here is another popular question that I get from a lot of my patients before starting semaglutide treatment. The question is, how long do I need to take semaglutide for weight loss? So semaglutide is injected once a week for weight loss. Duration of the semaglutide treatment for weight loss will depend on your individual needs and goal. It will also depend on how your body reacts to the medication. So we typically start at the lower dose of 0.25 milligram once a week for the first 4 weeks. Then increase it to 0.5 milligram for the following 4 weeks. After that, we may go up to 0.75 milligram or 1 milligram depending on how patients been feeling on the previous dose, if there were any side effect, if they are seeing the results. So there are multiple things that will help us decide what will be the next dose. We have seen that some patients start losing weight just on the smaller dose of 0.25, and some patients don't feel any effect of appetite suppression until they start the higher dose of 1 milligram. Patient with less weight to lose or who has more discipline about combining semaglutide with a healthy diet and exercise may reach their target goal or target weight even sooner than somebody who doesn't follow a healthy lifestyle. So the answer to how long I need to be on this medication will vary from patient to patient, and all this factor will help us decide how long it will take for you to achieve your optimal goal. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.